2023. The Asset organizes monthly quizzes designed to spark curiosity and sharpen knowledge across science, math, technology, engineering, English, history, social studies, and geography. These quizzes are tailored for elementary, middle, and high school students, making learning fun, competitive, and globally inclusive. In the Asset Open Quiz Challenge, the pre-quiz questions will be posted on the Asset YouTube channel at Asset Online 700 approximately 1 week prior to the commencement of the actual Asset quiz. You can visit Asset Online 700 on YouTube to watch and prepare yourself for the next Asset quiz on social media including YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Please visit the link Asset Online 700 on YouTube to watch and learn the award ceremony and amazing research work presented by high school undergraduate and postgraduate students, including junior and senior. We are going to be using the Kahoot platform for Asset Quiz competition. Since January 2025, Asset has been conferring 10 cash prizes or gift cards considering the overwhelming participation of students. The rules of this quiz are there will be 5 cash prizes or gift cards with a value of $30, $25, $20, and $10 for first, second, third, fourth, and fifth places respectively. And 6th, 10th places holders will also receive $10 each. Pre-registration of the participants with their full names and school names to receive the Asset Quiz prizes are required. As soon as the quizzer announces the Kahoot quiz code, please enter it immediately to join the quiz. I will share my screen to the code of the quiz. In order to join the Kahoot quiz, you have to go to either kahoot.it to join the PIN of 6092955, or if you have the app, you can scan the barcode and join. We will be beginning our asset quiz at 10:10, so in the next 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, I will be starting the Kahoot quiz for today, but if people still want to join, the game pin will be on one of the 4 corners. It'll be like in small text. The correct answer is the mitochondria. Which equation accurately represents Newton's second law of motion? The correct answer is F equals ma. What is the chemical formula for water? H2O, NaCl, O2, or CO2? The correct answer is H2O. Which planet is closest to the Sun in our solar system? The correct answer is Mercury. What is the innermost layer of the Earth called? The core, the crust, lithosphere, or the mantle? The correct answer is the core. What gas do plants primarily absorb from the atmosphere for photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen, or oxygen? The correct answer is carbon dioxide. What is the pH value of pure neutral water? 7, 0, 14, or 5? The correct answer is 7. Which type of rock is formed by the cooling and solidification of magma or lava? Metamorphic, igneous, sedimentary, or sandstone? The correct answer is igneous. What is the primary function of white blood cells in the human body? Transporting oxygen, fighting infections, digesting food, or clotting blood? The correct answer is fighting infections. What is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, hydrogen, or nitrogen? The correct answer is nitrogen. Which fundamental force keeps the planets in orbit around the Sun? Friction, gravity, magnetism, or electrostatics? The correct answer is gravity. What process describes a solid turning directly into a gas without becoming a liquid first? Melting, condensation, evaporation, or sublimation? The correct answer is sublimation. Solve for the equation. 2x plus 3 equals 11. Solve for x. X equals 3, x equals 7, x equals 4, or x equals 5. The correct answer is x equals 4. Simplify the expression x to the power of 3 times x to the power of 4. The correct answer is x to the power of 7. Which of the following is the factored form for the quadratic expression x squared minus 9? The correct answer is x minus 3 and x times x plus 3. What is the formula for the slope of a line given 2 points x1, y1, and x2, y2? The correct answer is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Evaluate the expression according to the order of operations. 4 plus 5 times 2 minus 3. 11, 13, 9, or 15. The correct answer is 13. What is the total sum of the interior angles of any triangle? The correct answer is 180 degrees. What is the value of the mathematical constant pi rounded to two decimal places? There's a big hint in the background. The correct answer is 3.14. If a right-angled triangle has legs of lengths 3 and 4, what is the length of the hypotenuse? 6, 25, 5, or 7? The correct answer is 5. What is the definition of the median in a set of numbers? The middle number when sorted in order, the average of all numbers, the number that appears the most often, or the difference between highest and lowest. The correct answer is the middle number when sorted in order. What is 15% of 200? 45, 15, 30, or 20? The correct answer is 30. What is the value of any non-zero number raised to the power of 0? 1, 0, -1, or the number itself? The correct answer is 1. Which Egyptian pharaoh ordered the construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza? The correct answer is Khufu. Which event officially marked the beginning of World War II in Europe? The correct answer is Germany's invasion of Poland. Who wrote the United States Declaration of Independence in 1776? Benjamin Franklin, John Adams, George Washington, or Thomas Jefferson? The correct answer is Thomas Jefferson. Which ancient civilization is widely credited with inventing democracy? The Inca Empire, ancient Athens, which is Greece, ancient Rome, or Mesopotamia? The correct answer is ancient Athens, or ancient Greece. What was the name of the trade route that connected China to the Mediterranean Sea? The Silk Road, the Trans-Saharan Route, or the Royal Road, or the Spice Route? The correct answer is the Silk Road. What 1215 document limited the power of the English king and protected the noble rights? The Bill of Rights, the Magna Carta, the Declaration of Rights, or the Treaty of Versailles? The correct answer is the Magna Carta. Which global conflict was fought between the Allied and Central Powers from 1914 to 1918? World War One, World War Two, the Seven Years' War, or the Napoleonic Wars? The correct answer is World War One. Which U.S. president issued the Emancipation Proclamation during the American Civil War? The correct answer is Abraham Lincoln. Which famous Shakespearean play contains the line "to be or to not be," or not to be? The correct answer is Hamlet. What literary device is used in the phrase "time is a thief"? The correct answer is metaphor. Read the sentence. The wind whispered secrets through the dark trees. What type of figurative language is used here? Hyperbole, simile, personification, or metaphor? The correct answer is personification. Which sentence contains multiple subjects? I could not believe it. He and his cat waited for the news. He waited for hours, or the train arrived late. The correct answer is he and his cat waited for the news. What is the primary purpose of an introductory paragraph in an argumentative essay? To list all counterarguments, to provide a detailed conclusion, to state the main claim or thesis, or to list sources. The correct answer is to state the main claim or thesis. Identify the type of figurative language used in the following sentence. The classroom was a zoo. Simile, personification, metaphor, or onomatopoeia. The correct answer is metaphor. What literary term describes a warning or indication of a future event in a story? Flashback, foreshadowing, hyperbole, or irony? The correct answer is foreshadowing. Who wrote the classic American novel The Great Gatsby? The correct answer is Scott Fitzgerald. What type of poem consists of exactly 14 lines and typically follows a strict rhyme scheme? A sonnet, an ode, a haiku, or a ballad? The correct answer is a sonnet. What does the tech acronym URL stand for? The correct answer is Uniform Resource Locator. Which programming language is widely known for its readability and use of indentation? Python, JavaScript, C++, or HTML? The correct answer is Python. What is the main permanent storage hardware unit inside a standard desktop computer? The motherboard, the RAM, the CPU, or the hard drive? The correct answer is the hard drive. In computer science, what is a step-by-step set of instructions to solve a problem called? A function, an algorithm, a variable, or a loop? The correct answer is an algorithm. What does HTTP stand for at the beginning of a website address? The correct answer is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Which component acts as the primary brain of a computer to execute calculations? GPU, RAM, CPU, or PSU? The correct answer is Central Processing Unit, or CPU. What kind of software is designed to damage, disrupt, or hack a computer system? Malware, adware, shareware, or firmware? The correct answer is malware. What does RAM stand for in computer hardware specifications? The correct answer is random access memory. What is the fundamental numbering system used inside computers consisting zeros and ones? Octodecimal, hexadecimal, or binary? The correct answer is binary. What does Wi-Fi stand for? The correct answer is wireless fidelity. Which of the following is an example of an open source operating system? The correct answer is Linux. This is the last question for our Asset Kahoot quiz for today. What cloud computing term describes a network safety barrier that filters incoming traffic? A firewall, a router, a switch, or a server? The correct answer is firewall. As we conclude, Asset thanks to all the students for participating in the Asset International Quiz of July 2026. Asset congratulates today's all 10 winners who come first to 10th places. as shown on the podium. The winners will receive their cash prizes or gift cards within 1 week or so. Congratulations to all of you once again, and goodbye. See you next month in the next Asset Quiz of August 2026.
Thank you, Soha.